Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a review on the TESBROS, formerly TESLABROS Full Chrome Delete Kit for your Tesla Model 3, so if you're interested, stay tuned. And I just want to let you guys know this is a sponsored video. TESBROS did send me the Chrome Delete to review, and I also have tutorials coming pretty soon on this Chrome Delete kit as well for the entire thing. Still working on those, but those will be out pretty soon too. Those will be linked in the description, and I'll probably have annotations over here too. So first, let's just start with some general information about the Chrome Delete kit. It does come in a variety of colors. So on my car, I ordered the satin black, which I think is the most popular color. It also comes in matte black, glossy black, and teslabros, if you've heard of him. You know, he's kind of a big YouTuber, Tesla YouTuber. He actually has his own color, which is a dark satin gray. Just a heads up, before you put this kit on, make sure your car isn't dusty or dirty, but I wouldn't recommend washing the car because water gets into every small crevice, and especially in the, crevices of the mirror that fold in and out. So I would recommend just dusting it off, because if you don't, we've got stickers, right? That's basically what these are, vinyl stickers. And so if you peel it off the backing and it touches your car and it's dusty, it's going to pick up that dust and dirt, and it's going to put it right on onto the actual chrome, and you're going to be able to see it once you press it on. So just be careful of that. And one last thing, keep in mind that when I show in the tutorials, and the kit is set up as driver side and passenger side rather than left and right, which is a lot easier because left and right is confusing when you're standing behind the car. But also keep in mind that it's driver and passenger for a left-hand side car. So basically if you're in North America, it would make sense. But say if you're in maybe Japan or the UK, they have right-hand drive cars there, so it's going to be flipped. So keep that in mind. It's for a left-hand drive car. So normally when I do reviews, I start with the cons first. That way we end on a good note. So with that said, here come the cons. The only con I really have about this one is labor. It takes forever to do these full Chrome Delete kit. And so obviously that's why if you want to do it, pay for the labor, it costs like $1,000 to do a Chrome Delete because it is labor intensive. It took me about 8 hours to do the entire kit. But I was also filming, so I would say if you're not filming, you're just doing it, it'll probably take you about 6. So keep that in mind. It is pretty tedious, but it's very doable. And that's all I have for the cons, and there's a ton of pros, so let's go through them. So the first one is the quality. It is a very nice kit. The vinyl is definitely high quality. When you touch it, you can tell. It's made by, the actual material is made by 3M, so, big brand 3M. It's the 2080 series, which is their newest series right now. It used to be the 1080 series, but they discontinued that one. So now they're giving out 2080 series vinyl wrap, which is really nice. The entire kit was designed and is manufactured in the US, in Tennessee, where TESBROS is located. And so why not? Tesla's American brand. Why not have all your stuff, all your aftermarket stuff be American made as well? The kit now comes with 2 full Chrome Delete kits. So basically they do this because just in case you mess up anything, you've got a backup. The hardest part is going to be the mirror. Obviously there's 10 different pieces for the mirror, and it's a tight space. So if you have, if you're an ICE car guy like me, since I've been in car stuff since forever, literally every car installed, there's got to be some tight, space or whatever. So that's going to be the mirror. That's probably the most difficult, and the repeater is the second most difficult. The actual trim and the handles are pretty easy, not too bad, just tedious. So going back to me being a car guy, before being a Tesla guy, I could easily myself take off the mirror, but obviously that's not everybody. Not everybody knows how to take off mirrors and take off all these parts from the car. So this kit was designed to not take off the mirror, which makes it, achievable for anybody. So basically all you need to do is just close and open the mirror a couple of times to get all the different chrome pieces on the mirror, and you're good to go. So don't worry. If you don't have any car experience, you could do this yourself. This 3M vinyl wrap is under the radar sticky. So when you peel it off the backing and you're touching it and, trying to apply it to the chrome, it doesn't really feel that sticky. But then once you're, ready, you're done with it, and you put a little heat to it to really, get it on there and finish it off, it is super sticky and not going anywhere. So I've already taken it through the rain a couple of times and it's dried off, and the vinyl wrap looks exactly the same as when I put it on. It is sticky. It is not going anywhere. So props to 3M and TESBROS for a high quality vinyl wrap product. On that note though, if you decide you don't like it, a couple months down the line or a year down the line or whatever, you can still fully remove it. You just need to be careful or use a little bit of heat to make it pliable so it's easier to get off. And of course, the full chrome delete kit looks fantastic when it's done. I was never a fan of the chrome, obviously that's why I did chrome delete, but it looks a lot nicer and I just feel like it gives the car a way more subtle look than with the chrome just, shining out at you and just getting your attention. The kit comes with online tutorials. So G, the owner of TESBROS, actually has his own YouTube channel and he made tutorials on each piece of the kit. And like I said, I'm making my own tutorials as well. So basically, between the two of us and whoever else on YouTube, has tutorials out there, you're going to get every angle that you can see. So basically, maybe you'll pick up a hint or a trick here and there from mine or his. And so just, watch those tutorials and, you'll be able to do this perfectly good the first time. And of course, we can't not forget the price. So it is a competitive price with the other competitors out there. I would highly recommend getting TESBROS because I think they are known for having the highest quality chrome delete kit out of all the other competitors. And you're going to get the same thing for the same price. So it's totally worth it. So that's all the pros and cons I have for this kit. I would highly recommend it. It's a really nice kit. Just make sure you plan out a day to do it because it's going to take you a while. Put on your favorite music and get cracking. So make sure you visit TESBROS website, or they actually have the kit on Amazon as well. So I'll link you to those in the description. If you thought this video was helpful, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.